Hi everybody. Here's how I can teach you um, get rid of the static on your QLED Samsung TV. As you can hear, the first thing you have to do is try to look for channels that are audio, with audio sounds. As you can see, your first unboxing of the QLED TVs with a static sound. So here's what you need to do. Okay, go to your menu and then go to your settings. After settings, click on your support, right? Now on your support says software update. So you go to here, broadcasting, and then go to expert settings. Okay, go to your expert settings and then go to analog channel tuning. Then go to your channel 60, right? And then click on channel 60. As you can hear, there is a static, right? Go to the sound system and change it. Sound system, just click it and go to for M. I think that's a mono tab, and then press it.
Enough dry.
See?
Sure.
Can you hear it now?
Yeah, it's not bad today.
Then
it's real good.
store.
So Jürgen, how do you feel about the transformation
that's
of the
about it.
house? Would you agree?
Because there's
Since
a lot
we've
of
moved in, it's more of a home now.
This house is over
going on
as far
the
as I can
YouTube
see.
channel
It's a little too much in my taste.
I'm very interested.
been teaching how to adjust your sounds and all of those. I've tried it and it didn't work that quite well, but this one I assure you it will work.
Definitely not clean enough to bring a baby in. It is gross.
So we go to another channel,
very nice.
like channel 59, right? There's this channel 59, right? Static sound. Then go to your menu. Then go to settings again. And then click on support, right? Then on your support, you go on broadcast. Then expert settings. Then go down to fine tuning. Oh, sorry. Go to manual scan. I think. Yeah, manual scanning. And then remember, channel 59. Go to your channel 59. There. Then click channel 59. As you can see, the sound system is still on its default I. So you change it. You change it to M, or I think that's mono.
I did the
See?
national anthem at the Kansas City Chiefs
Can
game.
you hear
and
it now
Diamond
more
saw it,
clear?
And he called me and asked
And
me if I
then
could play it at his
store.
70th birthday party. And
Wow, it's pretty
it
amazing.
was crazy. A plane that went over his house and wrote "Happy Birthday, Neil Diamond" in the sky, and it was just like there's
See?
ponies and
But the problem
amazing.
is
that is cool.
Ponies?
you
Yeah,
need
they had
to
pony rides for all the kids. So that was a
manually
beautiful gift that he
adjust
gave me
all
after
of
I
all
finished
of the
that.
You know, I went
channels
to the same high school as Neil
that
Diamond.
has
Your stories?
same static.
This is pretty intense equipment.
Yeah, this
So
is
that's
where I
about
explore
my
movies and
tutorial
stuff here. I just did Eli
of the
Roth's new
day.
movie. Here, I'll show you real
Hope you
quick.
like it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.